Are you ready to receive cash back for the purchases you make at your favorite retailers? If so, this is for you. The myEcon Cashback Mall has relationships with thousands of stores. When you use your personalized mall and shop at your favorite store, you will receive up to 30% cash back for shopping. That's extra savings for something you're going to do anyway. There are no points to redeem, no paperwork to send, just shop and get cash back. Want to earn more? When you share the Cashback Mall with your family and friends, they get up to 30% cash back on all of their purchases, and you earn 10% on all the cash back they earn. The best part? It costs absolutely nothing. It's free. All that you need is your name and a valid email address, and you can immediately begin shopping, saving, and getting cash back. To get started, click the link below.